What smell? What is the smell? What? Huh? Do you want cupcake? Do you want cupcake? Hi everyone, I am Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna make orange cake. It's a very simple recipe, but it's very good. And I don't know exactly how I'm gonna decorate, but since St. Patrick's Day is coming soon, for sure I'm gonna make something green on top. So at the end of the video, we will see what we come up with. This recipe is funny. I know it by heart already. But look at this, check this out. This is the original that my friend from Brazil, Dagmar, she wrote down for me. And this is her handwriting. And I love to have the recipe close to me every time I make this cake because obviously it reminds me of her. And also it's funny because I had to make some notes here on the side, you know, for change of measurement. In Brazil we use metric system, here we use a different system. So look, check this out, there's so many things. Check the back of the page. A lot of things. So I cannot throw this away, and I have this saved already in another spot on my computer, but I like to have this close to me every time I make this cake. Dagmar, saudade imensa. Beijo pra você. Let's get started. Here I have some flour, all-purpose flour, which I'm gonna add some baking powder to it. The recipe is gonna be on the description below. So I go like 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, and we'll give this a quick mix. And this is our dry ingredients. To the wet ingredients, I have here some sugar, which I'm gonna add some canola oil or vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and also to this orange cake, I have here some orange juice. You don't need a stand mixer for this, just a hand mixer should do the job. We're gonna mix first the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna add the dry ingredients to it. Comes the dry ingredient. I also like to add some orange zest. This will intensify the orange flavor in cake. The smell. I'm gonna finish stirring this up with the spatula. So I make sure that everything is well combined. I found some of this St. Patrick's theme. Isn't that cute? For the cupcakes. So I like to use a ice cream scoop to pour the batter into the molds. But if you don't have it, that's fine. You can just make sure that they're pretty much all the same amount. Don't go all the way to the top, about 3/4 of height. I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make a cream cheese butter frosting. I have here some cream cheese, obviously, and butter. I forgot to say that it has to be room temperature, otherwise it's gonna take forever to soften. Since this is orange cake, I'm adding some more orange zest, some vanilla extract, and then we're gonna add confectioner sugar. Okay. Some quality control here. Very good. It's not too sweet. Very light. Refreshing. Now comes a very tricky part. Let's see how we're going to decorate this. Let me get the cupcakes. Okay. Cupcakes are ready. They look great. I'm going to use this, I have this silicone piping bag, which I recommend very much for those of you who bakers. I'm not a baker, but I have this one because it's very useful when I like to make cupcakes. If you don't have one of these, you can use a Ziploc bag, plastic bag, and then you cut the tip of the bag, and you can decorate. You can insert the tip if you have it, or you just play with it. All right, so this it's really good. You're gonna see. I have here some green sprinkles. I have green food color. Alright guys, let's see what we can do. Okay, let's do this. There you go. Have some options for you. So this is it, guys. But I really want to show you something, how they look inside. The outside may not be that good, but I guarantee you that the inside is really moist. That's what I want to show you. Check this out. See, it's moist and it is delicious. You're gonna love it. The crust is moist in the center, and this has a nice crust. See, can you hear this? It's really good. So it's good on its own. The green is just because St. Patrick's is coming. And that's it for today. I cannot touch anything else because my hands are all dirty. I have sugar and icing all over my hands right now. I hope you enjoy the cupcakes. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. Enjoy and see you next time, okay? Bye!